Hello everyone, good morning to one and all. Myself Mr. Shubham Ashokarao Rathod. I am being present here to demonstrate one experiment from your practical syllabus. That is the aim of today's experiment. It is to demonstrate the path of ascent of sap. As we know, the ascent of sap is the result of cohesive and adhesive force of water along with the transpiration pulling force, and the phenomenon is known as the transpiration pull theory. So, in which the groundwater is moved towards the apex of the plant, and that is known as the ascent of sap. But question is arise in your mind, so how can we demonstrate or how can we prove the path of the ascent of sap? So to demonstrate these experiments we required certain materials, such as we required the fresh twig of any plant, then we required the saponin stain, then also we required the glycerin, also we required the conical flask filled with the distilled water, then we required the glass slides, then we also required the sharp blades, then also we need the compound microscope. So with the help of this all the materials we can demonstrate this experiment. So let's start or discuss the procedure. So procedure is very simple. So in this procedure we have to take one twig of the fresh plant, then we have to cut this fresh twig obliquely at the end of the stem, and then next step is that we have to add the 2 to 3 drops of the saponin stain in this conical flask filled with the distilled water, and we have to make a solution, colored solution of this saponin stain. After that we have to take that obliquely cutted stem and we have to put it into this conical flask. It is the first part of this demonstrating this experiment. Then we have to, after the putting this twig into this conical flask, we have to wait for the 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes we have to remove this twig and we have to take a thin section with the help of sharp blade on the glass slide, and we have to observe it under the microscope. So let's start the procedure. So first of all, take the sharp blade and take a fresh twig of the any plant and give the one oblique cut to the end of this stem part. And so now I am going to give the oblique cut to this stem part. So you can see here I have give the oblique cut to this stem, and now we have to require the colored solution with the help of the saponin stain. So in this conical flask we have filled the distilled water and we have to add the 2 to 3 drops of the saponin stain, and we have to mix to make the colored solution. So in which so you can see here this saponin stain is slowly diffusing into this distilled water, but we have to mix it very well with the help of the glass rod. So you can see now this colored solution is prepared for the assembly. Then we have to take this obliquely cutted stem and we have to put it into this conical flask for the 30 minutes. So we will wait for the 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we will continue the following procedure. So welcome back friends. After the 30 minutes we are coming back. So 30 minutes is over now, and now we have to take the sections of these stems. So first of all we have to remove this twig from this conical flask, and we have to cut this stem on the glass slide. So I have taken here the glass slides, and on these glass slides I have taken the section of this stem. So first of all just take the thin section, lots of section we have to take here, and just take the thin section as possible as, okay, and after taking these thin sections you have to collect this all the section into these petri plates having the distilled water. So I am taking here the sections, so thin sections which we have to take. So lots of sections were here collected, and then you have to take the another slide to observe the section. Then you have to select the thinnest section from the your overall all the sections. Okay, so now I am going to select the one thinnest section with the help of this brush. So now just take the thin section on the glass slide with the help of this brush, and just add the one drop of the glycerin. This glycerin is prevent the section to become a dry. Okay, so that's why we require the one drop of this glycerin. So now this glycerin is there, and this glycerin, and now you don't have to add any stain. Okay, you don't have to add any stain rather than the this glycerin solution. Okay, and in this glycerin solution you have to observe the observation that we have to what is the actual observation in this section that we have to observe under the microscope. So I have taken this compound microscope. So just adjust your slide on this compound microscope, and you have to observe it under the microscope. Yes. So now I have focused this slide on this microscope, and I can take one click of this section that you can see on your screen. So in this image that you are observing into your screen, you can observe that only the saponin stain were observed in the xylem elements or the xylem regions of this section. Okay, so it is proves that the ascent of sap always move through the xylem elements. Okay, so ascent of sap, the path of the ascent of sap is always through the xylem element. So it is proves that the path of the ascent of sap. So this is your experiment, and you have to write down the observation as like we have provided the written material on your Google Classroom. So you have to write down your observations. Okay, thank you very much.